Just get up a morning time and water the garden every morning. And that was my duty a morning time for water flowers. So
Okay.
basically I grow with a love for plants.
Normally, when you think about farming in Jamaica, we picture an old man going to his farm with his machete. However, over the past few years, farming has changed somewhat as we are now seeing more young people gravitating to this trade. Today, Elite Jamaica is interviewing one of the youngest farmers in St. Catherine, who has one of the largest farms in the parish. His name is Alex, and as you know, my name is Alex also. So with no further ado, we'll jump right into that interview. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. So guys, I went and did this interview with Alex. He's a pepper farmer of Bellevue Heights in St. Catherine. And he has a really large farm and he's been doing everything professionally as to the way it's supposed to be done. So this is a short interview with Alex. I hope you guys find this interview interesting. And if you have not yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, please consider doing so, as we always try to bring you good news from Jamaica per se. You understand, and you learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans when you watch this channel. Anyways, let's get right to the interview.
So Alex, what basically started you in farming? Because it seems you really love what you're doing and you're really interested in what you're doing.
Well, I'm an old lady, you know. Used to get up a morning time.
Your old lady as in your mom?
Yeah. Just get up a morning time and water the garden every morning. And that was my duty a morning time for water flowers.
Okay.
So basically I grow with a love for plants.
Okay, I understand that. And you have any message you want to send out there to young farmers or persons who are thinking about going into farming?
Well, farming help, you know. You have to cover a lot of things. Income and keep you out of trouble as well.
Have you seen anywhere where farming has made any changes in the community?
Well, basically, no, you know, because them people don't want to work water. So, it just changed my lifestyle. Other people, basically, I'm not interested in farming in our community.
Okay. And how long have you started farming professionally?
I'm a 14-year-old.
14-year-old. Alright. And do you see any way you can say that farming has improved your livelihood?
Well, basically, yes.
In what way?
Income source
Oh, and you get to take care of mommy and daddy and all of them things.
and all them something there.
So people in a year is a young farmer, and him a do one of the greatest thing them Jamaica need right now, farming, you know.
Well, I guess as them grow, the structure of them will get stronger.
So Alex, what the name of the chemical they are use right now and what's the purpose? Never get that. Didn't get that?
So MPK.
MPK, okay. And what's the purpose of that?
Phosphorus and nitrogen.
Okay.
Make the plant leave them more greener. Plant absorb nutrients relief.
Seriously, I thought chemicals would let the plants die or something like that.
No man, you have different type of chemicals, different purpose.
Okay, because we just want the people them know say yo, the proper thing you deal with, you know man, them man are do the thing professional. You understand? Using chemicals and stuff like that. Nurse are pretty down.
Normally, I thought farming was you plant a seed, you water it and it grow, but now I'm getting to realize that farming takes a whole lot more than that. These right here are chemicals, nitrogen, potassium chloride. I didn't know that all of these chemicals were needed in farming. So I'm gonna let Alex, the farmer, let you guys, our farmers who wanna know, let you know about these chemicals and where you can go about getting them.
And Alex, tell the farmers out there where they can go about getting chemicals like these.
Well,
Because I know some people that want to know.
basically any farm store in Jamaica.
Any farm store. And repeat the names of the chemicals again and what they use for.
Well, they have fungicides, 2020. Fungicide now used to take off fungus off of the plants, make the plants are more healthier.
Okay.
The leaf fertilizer now enhance the growth of the plants. When the plants eat them bigger and the stem them more thicker.
Okay. Because one of the young farmer them know. And how old are you, Alex? Just let the people know.
23-year-old.
You're 23-year-old. I want to see why I'm other people. So basically I get ready for go spray, plant them and thing. So what you using on the spray pan?
Basically, we have 2 spray pan. One to use deadly chemicals and one to use helpful chemicals to the plant.
What do you consider, what do you mean by helpful chemicals?
Alright, you have like Gramazone I use burn down place. You can use the same spray pan and spray the plant them. You have to use a different spray pan for different chemicals.
Okay,
You have some
I
chemical
understand.
harm the plants and some chemical enhance the plants.
Oh,
So you
okay.
have to have 2 different spray pan.
So the chemical we are using at this spray pan now, what the name of that chemical?
This is when I'm there. 2020. Like
Guys, be sure to look out for part 2 of this interview. We actually ran out of storage space. If you found this video interesting, be sure to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of my videos. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.
what is it? What is it?
Alright, you see this? See inside I gonna come across a box so come in front of you. So.
Oh no.
That when you go across the box.
What you wanna?
This?
Wait, I forgot the lever. I have to leave
Yeah,
it.
lever.
So that is come on the same.
Across the box.
Watch this.